An ed plan or a comprehensive ed plan is a roadmap to your goal. It includes the courses you'll need and helps plan out when to take these courses. Your ed plan is basically your goal to graduate within a specific time frame. Let's take a look at the difference of a comprehensive ed plan and just an ed plan. So you'll know the difference when you go to write about the two. First of all, an abbreviated ed plan or just an ed plan maps out usually your first semester, maybe your first or second. You might have had to do it to register, but it's not the big picture. It's just a general picture, generally your first time coming into college or your first time registering. For some of you, that might have been a really long time ago, and for some of you, that could have been just recently. But the difference between that and a comprehensive education plan is a comprehensive education plan actually maps out your entire degree. So from the very beginning of your coursework, general education, all the way to your upper division courses, as well as any prep work you might have, depending on your major. It keeps you on track to graduate. If you've done a good job with your comprehensive plan, it also prevents you from having to take classes that are unnecessary or are not needed, or don't lead to the requirements for your degree. And it ensures that you also have all your coursework done in the correct order, so you don't mess up if you needed to take a prerequisite before you took maybe that science class or that upper division course. So some tips and some hints. First of all, on the screen here, as you can see on the side, is just a sample of an ed plan. It's blank, but it would be one from, say, from CSU Chico. And it shows the A to G, but more importantly, it also shows you the pathway to minors. Many universities now are requiring you to take specific general education courses or specific pathway courses that will help you and enhance your degree. You want to make sure that if your university requires that you know exactly what those pathways are or exactly what those requirements are. And it is perfect to have something that looks similar to this. And if you don't, you want to create one, you can email me and I can send you a blank Excel spreadsheet and you can fill in your own stuff. But you want to create one so that you know that you have met your requirements, that you're in progress, or that you have something left to do. It is created by you and your advisor, but the bottom line, remember, it is your degree. You need to be aware of what's required of you. So you have followed your catalog, you know what's required, you know what the prerequisites are, what order you might need to take something in. And then the other thing, keep that ed plan handy. Check off courses that you've taken, check out courses that you're in progress. You could even, I used to highlight and star courses that I knew were going to be really stressful for me so that I wouldn't take those at the same time as something else that was going to be really challenging and stressful. Some of you might be in a course that doesn't have that flexibility, but you need to be aware of that as well. So why is it important for this course to have an ed plan? Because some of you are probably thinking, this is career, this isn't about my ed plan. Well, the importance is that this goes beyond your education. It goes beyond what that degree is and actually looks at, is that degree going to line up with your career focus? What other skills or goals do you have for your career besides just that degree? And then most important, it makes sure that we will make sure that you are tying your degree to your specific career so that your major isn't just something that's not related to your ultimate career goals. So you must know your comprehensive ed plan so you can ensure you're on the right track for your career. What do you need to do now? So the assignment is going to be a discussion post. I want you to research and review your comprehensive education plan. If you don't have one, then you need to get on the ball and make one. And then you're going to report your findings to the class. So once you've reviewed, researched, made sure you have your education plan, have that out, and you can proceed to the discussion post posted in Canvas. All right, have some fun, and I look forward to seeing everyone's education plans.